My name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're going to look at the search results on the website. So if we go to the search results here, we can see that they currently are listing sample member 1, sample member 2 and sample member 3. If we refresh that, and again they just keep displaying the same. So what if we want to randomize that? What if we want them to appear randomly in order? One of the things that you can do is you can set the order in which certain memberships appear in terms of the search results. So you can dictate what position they appear in, but you can also randomize that position as well. So for example, these three members, if we go to finance membership plans, these three members are all in the same plan. Okay, so if we click on edit and we go to search visibility, we can see that they have all been given search priority 1. Yet when we refresh them, they're all appearing in order of member 1, 2, and 3. So they're in the first position in the search results, but they're staying within the same order. So what we could do is if we go to my content, edit post settings, we're going to scroll down to member listings. We're going to go to search results design, additional settings. And then what we're going to do is we're going to order results by. So currently the results are ordered A to Z, but we want to random them. So we order results by random order. Okay, and then we go back up, save back here and refresh, and you'll notice now they're starting to move about. Now they'll stay as search priority 1 in terms of other members that may be in different membership plans and may have a priority 2 or priority 3, but they'll randomize in that order of priority. So they'll just randomize. So again, if we refresh the page, so you can see that the members are moving about. So that is how you order the results in the search fields. I hope you found that useful and thanks for watching.